Hi everybody, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Happenings, and today is There's a Card Thursday. And I want to show you this great fun card. It uses some of our celebration 2018 celebration items, so if you still have them, that's a great idea to use them up. This I call the Blossoming Basket Bundle card because it uses the bundle, the Blossoming Basket Bundle. So that's the stamp set and also the dynamic impressions folder. What else we're going to be using? We're going to be using Calypso Coral ink, the Tuxedo Black, because we are going to be using our stamping blends. Okay? We are going to be using the Tutti-Frutti cards and envelopes. This again is one of the celebration items. We are going to be using a piece of crumb cake. This is 3 3/4 by 5, and a piece of very vanilla, which is 3 1/4 by 4 1/2. Okay, we are going to be, of course, needing some glue dots, and we're going to use the Big Shot and a water spritzer. So the first thing we want to do is we want to spritz the crumb cake with water, and then we're going to put this in the dynamic folder, and we're going to run this through the Big Shot, okay? And we come up with something that looks just like this. Isn't that beautiful? So that's going to be one of our backgrounds. The second thing we're going to do is I'm going to stamp the basket with Memento black. Since it's bigger than the pad, I do the pad to the... And I'm going to put this up on top, or no, I'm going to put it up and down on the bottom because I want to put this saying up on top. Okay? And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take my, this is crumb cake, and I'm going to do the crumb cake all over. I find this one, it's better to use the smaller edge. Okay. Then I'm going to highlight that with the dark crumb cake. You know, I just learned a really good tip about the blenders, the Stampin' blends. Pull off, some people have noticed that the tip comes off. Then that's because you're not pulling straight, you're pulling at an angle. So make sure when you pull off your tip, you're pulling it straight and not twisting it and stuff, okay?
Look at how far we've traveled. Look at how much we've done. Truth is, one person can matter. Just look what ideas can become. The journey to our destination is what we remember today. Go celebrate the difference that we back at where we started, we can see just how far we have come with what each of us has created. We see there is power in one. The journey is not always easy, but with every step along the way, oh, celebrate the difference that we
Okay, now all I'm going to do is I'm going to just put my saying on here. With Calypso Coral. There we go. And I'm just going to connect these with the put that on there. I really love these note cards, the Tutti-Frutti note cards. They make such great cards on themselves because they're just so decorated. There you go. For There's Card Thursday, thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.